In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a PDF into multiple files using Adobe Acrobat DC. If you've ever needed to break a large PDF into smaller, neatly labeled parts, this walkthrough will make the process quick and reliable. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This feature is part of the Pro version, so make sure you are not in the Reader app. With the document open, head to the Tools tab at the top left. Find and select Organize Pages. Then look for the Split option in the toolbar. This takes you into the dedicated splitting workspace so you can define exactly how your PDF should be divided. Next, set your split parameters. In the Split by menu, you'll see 3 choices. Number of pages lets you break the file into equal chunks, such as 2 pages. Per degree Fahrenheit, IL. File size allows you to split based on maximum megabytes, which can be handy for email or upload limits. Top-level bookmarks will divide the PDF according to the main headings already in the document's bookmark structure. Perfect for reports or manuals with clear sections. For this example, choose number of pages. Then enter your value in the secondary field, let's say every 2 pages. This tells Acrobat to create a new file after each 2-page segment before you run the split. Click Output Options. Here, choose where the new files will be saved. You can keep them in the same folder as the original, or pick a folder on my computer. Then browse or choose to select the destination. Confirm with OK on a PC or choose on a Mac. While you are in this dialog, set up file labeling to keep everything organized. Add a prefix or part number so the output is easy to identify at a glance. And make sure Do Not Overwrite Existing Files is checked to avoid replacing anything unintentionally. Click OK to confirm your output settings. Now you are ready to run it. Click Split. Your new PDFs are now saved in the folder you selected. For example, if you split a 10-page document every 2 pages, you'll see 5 separate files, each with the naming pattern you set. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.